क्या है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से और बात करेंगे आप लोगों के साथ आज यूनियन बजट 2026 to US Fed meet Q3 result, top 5 triggers that may dictate Indian stock market this week. On Friday, both benchmark indices took a U-turn, slapping back into the red and profit booking after position notable gain of around 0.5% in the previous year. Stock market this week. The Indian stock market remained cautious and choppy throughout the week, led by the global trade tensions and the sustained foreign investor selling. On Friday, both benchmark indices took a U-turn, slapping back into the red and profit booking after position, posting notable gains of around 0.5%. The Indian stock market remained cautious and choppy throughout the week, led by renewed global trade tensions and the sustained foreign investor selling. On Friday, both benchmark indices took a U-turn, slipping back into the red and profit booking after position notable gains of around 0.5% in the previous session. The Sensex tumbled 770 points or 0.94% to in at 81,537.70, while the Nifty 50 declined 241 points or 0.95% to close at 25,048.65. Ongoing geopolitical caution ahead of the Union Budget 2026 and mixed Q3 earning further depend the overall market statement. Indian equity resumed their downward trajectory after witnessing a small recovery on Thursday. Nifty fell by 241 points, -1% to close just above the 25K level at 25,448, triggered by a sharp decline in several heavyweight stock. Specific action continued on the back on mixed Q3 results overall. The broader market underperforms with Nifty Mid-Cap 100 and Small Cap 100 down 1.8% and 2% respectively as investors adopted a cautious stance and overall market weakness with that came ahead of Reserve Well of Management, Motilal Oswal Financial Service. Stock market outlook next week. Moody RCCO and Risk Money believe that as the market head into the pre-budget and monthly drivers expires week. Technically, rebound cannot be ruled out, and Moody further explained that elevated full short position oversold and momentum's indicator and pre-budget posting a good triggers both of short converting. That said, the durability of the any recovery is likely to remain containment on Jobel Earning follow throughout the investor positioning ahead of the Union Budget.